Hello dear student, today I am going to discuss how to do addition and subtraction in time, and some problem solving based on addition and subtraction in time. So now come on here on page number 169, page number 169. Here say first one, add. On first one, here three columns are given: weeks, days, days, and hours. 3 weeks, 4 days, and 8 hours. 5 weeks, 6 days, and 9 hours. 7 weeks, 5 days, 12 hours. 4 weeks, 3 days, 10 hours. We will add first hours from this side, because here hours is smaller unit of time than day, and day is smaller unit of time than weeks. So first we will add 8, 9, 12 and 10 hours, and after that we will convert hours into days. You know how to convert hours into days? By dividing 24. We will add this number of hours. If the number of hours is coming more than 24 or 24 hours, then it will convert into days and remainder will add here. So if you will add here 8 and 9, 17 and 2, 19. You can use here rough count in your notes book. So here 19, 1 carry, 1, 1, 2, 1, 39 hours. So you know that 39 hours can be converted into days. 24 hours make 1 day. If you divide this one time, 24, and subtract this 5 and 1. So 15 hours is remainder and 1 day. So 1 day you will add in days column. So here we should write 15 and 1 day we will add here. And then you have to add number of days: 4 and 5 and 6, 11 and 5, 16 and 3, 19 days. And 19 days you could convert it into weeks. You know that 7 days make 1 week. So how many weeks will be 19 days? We should divide by 7. I had explained how to convert higher unit, how to convert the smaller unit into higher. So by division. So 7 to the 14. So 2 weeks and 5 weeks. So 2 weeks, 5 days we will write here, and 2 weeks we will add in this column. So 3 and 2, 5, 5 and 10, 17 and 4, 21. So answer is 21 weeks, 5 days and 15 hours. I hope you understood. And let us come on third one. minute and second. 9 hours 30 minutes 50 seconds. 8 hours 27 minutes 36 seconds. 2 hours 15 minutes 27 seconds. And 3 hours 45 minutes and 15 seconds. Plus we will add seconds. These numbers 50, 36, 27 and 15. I hope you know how to add. Just like whole number. And the seconds, if the number of seconds is coming 60 or more than 60, then it will convert minute. And after that we will add minute, and if it will convert, and if it is coming 60 or more than 60 minutes, it will convert into hours, and remainder we will write here. So you can use here of compound. Add it 6 and 7, 13 and 5, 18. 18, 1 carry. 5 and 6 and 3, 9, 2, 11 and 1, 12. Children, 128 seconds. And you know that 60 seconds make 1 minute. So you can guess how many minutes will be 128 seconds. 60 seconds make 1 minute and 120 seconds make 2 minutes. That is, seconds can be converted into minute by dividing 60. Divided by 60 2 times and 8 will be remainder. That is, here seconds column we will write here 08 or 8 and quotient, that is 2. We will add minutes column. We will add 7 to 9, 9 and 10, 19, and 1 carry 3, 1 4, and 2 6, and 1 7, and 4 11. That is 190 minutes. And it will convert into hours. 60 minutes make 1 hour. So divide it 1 time. Because 60 to 120, here 1 less than 120. So 1 times here 59 minutes will be remainder and 1 hour is quotient. So here we will write only 59 minutes. And you will add here 9 and 10, 10 and 20 and 3, 23. So our answer is 23 hours, 59 minutes and 8 seconds. So I hope these type problems we can do easily. Now come on, the next page number 170. Here we must subtract. Page number 170. 170. So dear student, look at here. Second one, subtract. 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 3 columns. First one given weeks, weeks, days, days, hours, hours. 7 weeks, 3 days and 15 hours minus 2 weeks, 5 days, 19 hours. Children, this subtraction just not like the whole numbers. Here you can't subtract 19 from 15. So take borrow from days, and you know that one day make 24 hours. If you will take borrow from days, one more. So here will be increased by 24. So 15 and plus 24. It will be 39. So in the place of 15, you should write here 39. Take borrow from days, and you know that the relation between days and hours. 1 day equal 24 hours. So this number of hours will be increased by 24, not by 1. Keep your mind. Remember it. 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. That is 20 hours. And here remaining only 2 days. So 5 can't subtract from 2. You should take borrow from weeks, and you know the relation between days and week. 1 week equal to 7 days. So this 2 will increase by 7. So this become 2 plus 7 is 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. And here 6 is remaining. So 6 minus 2 is 4. That is, our answer is 4 weeks, 4 days and 20 hours. I hope the remaining question you can do easily. Now come on, problem on time. Problem on time. Problem on time. First one we will solve the problem. Solve the problems based on subtraction and addition. First one. Now see the question from book on page number 170. My mother cooks meals between 7:30 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. every day. How long does she take in cooking? So you know that we will subtract. You can think common. The time from 7:30 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. in same age. You know counting, I hope. We will subtract here. So you can write the statement anyway. I like to do like this. Mother cooks meal. Mother cooks meals between 7:30 a.m. to 11:50 a.m. 11:50 a.m. Here ask you how long does she take in cooking. So you can write and she take time, or you can write she take in cooking. info king equal to, we should subtract here 11 hours 50 minutes minus 7 hours 30 minutes. So 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 11 minus 7 is 4. That is, our answer is 4 hours 20 minutes. We should write the answer clearly. 4 hours answer. We write 4 hours and 20 minutes. So anyway, you can write. Now come on third one. Yes, student, come on third one. An express train is due to light 7:20 hours. If it is late by 2 hours 30 minutes, when is it expected to arrive? The timing of train to arrive 7:20 hours, but that train was late by 2 hours 30 minutes. So we are asking the time, the expected time to arrive. So we will add here. We will add 7:20 hours by 2 hours 30 minutes. So now come on third one. An express train is due at, and express train is due at 7:20 hours. 7:20 hours. This timing is given in 24-hour times. That is like railways. That is this railway. So 7:20 hours. It is late by 2 hours 30 2 hours 30 minutes. We are asking expected time to arrive, hence you can write expected time to arrive is, we will add here 7:20 plus 2:30 0 5 7 to 9, that is 9:50 hours. Answer is 9:50 hours. And I want to do only one more question. See here, 7th one. Now come on 7. Yes, look at question number 7. A conference started at 9:30 a.m. and continued till 7:45 p.m. What was the duration of the conference? So our problem is to calculate or find the time from 9:30 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. That is 9:30 morning to 7:45 evening. So this question can you do any two method, any one of two methods. First, you can convert both timing in 24-hour timing. Both timing is given 12-hour timing. So you should convert it into 24-hour timing. And after that, you can start playing. And secondly, you can divide this interval 9:30 a.m. to 7:45 p.m. evening into sub-interval. First interval from 9:30 to 12 noon. It will be 2 hours 30 minutes. And then second sub-interval from 12 noon to 7:45 p.m. This second interval time will be 7 hours 45 minutes. And the total time, you know how to find the total time. You will add 2 hours 30 minutes and 7 hours 45 minutes. That will be the duration of conference. So as you like, you can do any one of two methods. So I am writing here second method. We will calculate or find the time from 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon. The right time from 9:30 a.m. to 12 noon. This will be very simple, 2 hours and 30 minutes. 2 hours 30 minutes. Yes, it's written the short form of hours. Or you can write 2 hours 30 minutes. And second sub-interval time from 12 noon to 7:45 p.m. This will be 7 hours and 45 minutes. And after that you will add. Hence, at last you can write the duration of conference was. Hence, the duration of conference was we will add here you can write hours and minute to column, and we have to add 2 hours 30 minutes and 7 hours 45 minutes. And I have explained how to add hours and minute. We will add minute column. If it is coming more than 60 or 60, it will convert into hours. If you will add 30 and 45, it will come 75 minutes. And you know 75 minutes will make 1 hour 15 minutes. So we will write here only 15 minutes and 1 hour. We will write in our column. So this will be 10 hours 15 minutes. That is the duration of conference was 10 hours 15 minutes. You can write here 10 hours and 15 minutes. So in this way this chapter has been completed, and if I have any doubt we can ask without any hesitation. Children, how are the video? Please tell me. And thanks for watching.